Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Indy. I hope you guys enjoyed my last video, and today's video is going to be a review about, or the long-term review about the PS5. So let's get started. I've had the PS5 for 1 year. I got it last year's birthday. It's a great console to have. Now, I've been a PlayStation fanboy since I can remember, man. My first PlayStation was the PS1, then the PS2, PS3, PS4, and now the PS5. Yes, the PS5 is very hard to get at the moment, but there is a good news. You see, PS5 stocks have started to trickle through on Amazon in the US market, which indicates that finally Sony has sorted out their issues with the chipsets. And very soon you will be able to just pick off the PS5 from the retail outlets, and by the end of this year I think everyone should have a PS5. So my opinion on the PS5 after owning it for a year, okay, so look, because I'm a PlayStation fanboy, I did at one stage own the Xbox 360, but I couldn't really get myself adapted to it. One of the best things that I love about the PS5, and I have the disc version, which is basically you can use CDs, the gaming CDs, but I prefer my library to be digital because it can go anywhere with me, any part of the world. It's one of those things, man. If you really prefer to have the disk drive, then go for it. If you can get your hands on a digital version and you have very good internet speeds at home, then just go with the digital version, which is I think about $100 cheaper in the US, or £100 cheaper in the UK market, and the Australian market, $100 cheap there as well. In the Indian market, it's 10,000 rupees cheaper. So if you can get your hands on the digital version and you've got good internet speeds, it's worth getting. Talking about storage on the PS5, I use an external hard drive for the PS4 games, and you can play it off of them. I've connected it via the USB Type-C, which is, if you see here in front of the PlayStation 5, and they play just really well, man. The graphics are good, and in the end of the day, all my PlayStation 5 games, I think a lot of people complain about this, is that the PlayStation 5's internal storage is less than what they actually offer. It's around about 645 GB after all the installs. For that, you can extend the internal storage by installing an MM2 SSD. I've got one which I've installed in here. It's a Western Digital one. I've left a link in my description. You can go ahead and buy that. By actually adding that MM2 drive, you can extend the internal storage, and you can play PS5 games off that internal storage, which is a very good part of it. And I think PlayStation or Sony has gone ahead and released, and they've made their own SSD drives as well, internal ones, MM2s. So you can go and check that out. Hopefully it will be available in the Indian market very soon. Overall, I'm very happy with the PS5. The interface is really good. It's snappier, it's quicker than the PS4 that I owned, and I had the PS4 Pro. Compared to that, PS5 is it's far ahead of what the PS4 could do. I've never had any kind of crashes on it. It's worth getting, to be very honest and frank about it. With also in terms of, there is this new PlayStation Plus subscriptions that are out. It's the Deluxe, Essential and Extra here in India. We don't have the PS Now, but however, the library is really good. It's got enough content in there that you can actually play off from the past library of the PS2, PS3 games and some PS1 games as well. If you have been using the PlayStation from the very beginning, I think it's worth getting that subscription. Also with PlayStation Plus. PlayStation Plus is a great subscription to have because you get at least 3 new games, and plus now you can actually trial games before you buy them. I think it's under the deluxe package of PlayStation Plus, which is wonderful. You know, there's a lot of times you end up buying games and you play them and then you say, oh, okay, you just realize that, you know, just wasted your money. But you can now trial the games, and it's really good. In terms of gameplay, look, there's performance mode as well as fidelity mode, whichever suits your fancy when you're actually playing games. I prefer the performance mode. It I think polishes up the graphics a little bit more than I really enjoy it, especially when you have a compatible TV. Like I have the 120Hz X90J that I usually game on with my PS5, and it is butter smooth. The graphics, the shadow details, the color pop, it's really good. Also earlier this month, PlayStation, Sony had released the ALLM feature that was missing from the PS5, and a lot of people complained a lot about that. It's finally released. You can now toggle it on, off to your preference. VRR had released 2 months earlier on the PS5. So yes, compare that to the Xbox Series X. Now the PS5 has the complete package. It has the ALLM and the VRR that it supports. It's wonderful, and I really love my PS5. You know, if you really can get your hands on this, do buy the PS5. It's going to be worth every penny. Don't wait for the PS5 Pro. That's not going to release until 2025, guaranteed, because Sony has really struggled to put these consoles out in the market. So with the shortage of the chipsets, I really don't think they will release the PS5 Pro anytime soon, and they will wait it out because they know for a fact that a lot of people have been trying to get hold of the PS5 for a very long time, and they've just started to manage to balance out the stock sheets. So go ahead and get it without any questions asked. If you are into gaming, and if you're even not into gaming, gaming is a great stress reliever, period, man. You know, if you had a long hard week and you really want to just put your feet up and just go at it, it's just wonderful. Just go for it, man. One request I'll make to all of you guys out there who really want to get a PS5: don't get it from the black market. For one, you know, it's really hard because these machines turn out to be very expensive in the black market. You're paying 20%, 30% more than the retail value of the actual console. Look, my best suggestion is go out to your local Sony centers here in India. If you're based out in India, go to your Sony centers, speak to them, talk to them, give them money in advance, tell them, look, I'll wait, and they will guarantee get you a PS5 because they have a lot of stock coming in and out. The other thing is you can jump onto Shop at SC. That's in India, and you can buy it off there. I think the next round, I'm pretty sure they're going to push out very soon the stock or the restock of the Sony PS5 standard and the digital. So wait it out. It'll be worth the wait to get this console legally and with the warranties attached and everything to it. Now, if you have got any questions about the PS5, please leave it in the comments below, and I will try to get in more depth and detail about the PS5. In the coming few months, I will try to make more videos on the PS5, a little bit more extensive, getting it into how did I store my video games, how do I shift between the two. Also, on the other hand, I will also explain more about how the game trailers work on the PlayStation Plus subscription. So stay tuned. And like always, guys, please subscribe to this channel, like, share, and comment. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Bye now.